ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। बीजस्यान्तरिवाङ्कुरो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनर्मायाकल्पितदेशकालकलना वैचित्र्यचित्रीकृतं मायावीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महा योगी वय स्वेच्छया। तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नम इदं श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये। The last sentence of 13th Vartika before the sutra was that the Jagat Karanasya Ishwarasya कार्य कारण उपाधि आवेशात, उपाध्यावेशात, आवेश मीन्स प्रवेश. ईश्वर हैज एंटर्ड इनटू कार्य उपाधि also and कारण उपाधि also, and कार्य and कारण both are differences within Maya. Maya is कार्य कारण तत्संस्कारात्मक माया, एंड माया उपाधि आवेशात ज्ञान क्रिये शक्ति भविष्यति इति उक्तम. ज्ञान क्रिया भविष्यतः इति उक्तम. ज्ञान एंड क्रिया बोथ कैन बिकम शक्ति ऑफ ईश्वर, जस्ट लाइक कुलाल हैज एंटर्ड इनटू Kulala has become Jiva, and as Jiva he has the ability to function. So when it is said Chetana Karanam, main point here is that Karanam should be Chetanam. So Kulala is Chetana Karanam or Jada Karanam? So when we say Kulala is Chetana, remember it is not Shuddha Chaitanya. It is Chetana only with respect to Ghata, Patadi, Patthara, stone, etc. With respect to them, Kulala is called Chetana. Means there where there is Chidabhasa is considered as Chetana. Only this much we have to remember, because Shuddha Chetana is not Jagat Karanam. Wherever Kulala Drashtanta is given or Urna Nabhi Drashtanta is given, Luta Kita, so they are Chetana, means they are not like Ghata Patadi. They have Chaitanya expressing, and therefore they are able to function. In the same way, Ishvara is also not Shuddha Chaitanya, because Shuddha Chaitanya is not Karanam. But Maya Upahita Chaitanya, that Chidabhasa appearing in Maya, is Chetanam, and that is Jagat Karanam, and that can do Jnana and Kriya. तथा च वैयासिक न्याय सूत्रम, ब्रह्म सूत्र. वैयासिक न्याय is the logical reasoning of Ved Vyasji, is called Vaiyasika Nyaya Sutram. Yatha cha takshobhayatha iti. This is Sutra number 2340. It is given in the footnote. यथा च तक्षा उभयथा. So Takshri is like the carpenter who is having kartrutvam and also does not have kartrutvam. His kartrutvam is with karana. Without karana he is akarta. So just as jiva also is karta only when he has karana, antakarana and bahikarana. So then jiva becomes karta in jagrat and swapna. And in sushupti there are no karana. So then jiva is akarta, abhokta, and he is very happy. So in jagrat swapna with karana he does all the nirmana for jiva. So jiva in jagrat swapna with karana is dukhi. Jiva in sushupti without karana is sukhi. Ishvara in utpatti sthiti pralaya all the time he is sukhi. But when he is with karana he is karta. When he is without karana he is akarta. The only bheda is Ishvara has jnanam, jiva doesn't have jnanam. So ubhayatha means both way. Sahakari karanena saha kartrutvam. Sahakari karana abhavat akartrutvam. Ubhayatha, both roles he can play. So in this way Ishvara is jnana kriya karta. ननु चेतन निरपेक्षम अपि कार्यम जायमानं दृश्यते यथा दुग्धम स्वयमेव दध्यात्मना परिणमत इति सांख्य शंकाम अपाकरोति. Sankhya is raising a purvapaksha that chetana nirapeksham api karyam jayamanam drishyate. In the absence of Chaitanya also things do happen. Why do you need Chetana Karanatvam? Drishtanta, he says, Yatha dugdham swayameva dadhyatmana parinamate. The milk on its own becomes curd. At the most, you put jamun in that, right? The culture. So when you put the culture, then milk will become yogurt. But otherwise also, sometimes it splits on its own, when there is too much heat or something. So nobody has done anything, but it has transformed. So this is the Shanka of Sankhya. Swayameva dadhyatmana parinamate iti. Actually, most of these Shanka Samadhanam, these are all there in Brahma Sutra also. So Sureshwaracharya ji has also used those Purvapakshas which Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji has refuted in Bhashya, mostly in this Dvitiya Adhyaya, Avirodha Adhyaya. All these darshanas are there. So Sureshwaracharya ji uses this Kshira Dadhi Drashtanta is also given there. Kala Rupa Kriya Shaktya Kshirat Parinamed Dadhi Jnatra Jnana Jnaya Rupam Jnana Shaktya Bhavet Jagat. Kala Rupa Kriya Shaktya Kshirat Parinamed Dadhi Jnatra Jnana Jnaya Rupam Jnana Shaktya Bhavet Jagat. Kala Rupa Kriya Shaktya Kshirat Dadhi Parinamed. from milk the dadi happens because of Kala Rupa Kriya Shakti, not on its own. Some time is required or not? Yes. Some temperature is required or not? If it is cold temperature, dahi will not happen. You need some warm temperature. So like in the mountains, when it is freezing, dahi will not happen. Even in cities down, you can't have dahi in winter season easily. And in summer, like in Andhra and all, immediately it will happen also, and it will become sour if you don't immediately like either put in fridge or start using. Correct? See? So there is Kala required, time is required, there is some heat is also required. And that Shakti is Paramatma Shakti. And of course you need those bacteria culture also. So that is also Paramatma Shakti only. Jnatri Jnana Jnaya Rupam Jnana Shaktya Bhavet Jagat. So first line says, Purvardha talks about Kriya Shakti. And in the same way, in the second line it is said, there is Jnana Shakti also, by which the Jnata Jnana Jnaya Rupam is the nature of Jnana Shakti. By that, Jagat Bhavet. The Jagat is created by that. How you see? Yaha sarveshu bhuteshu tishthan. This is Antaryami Brahmana. Yaha sarveshu bhuteshu tishthan sarvebhyo bhutebhyo antaroyam sarvani bhutani na vidur yasya sarvani bhutani shariram यह सर्वाणि भूतान्यंतरो यमयत्येषैत आत्मा अंतर्याम्यमृत इत्यादि भूतम अथ अध्यात्मम. सो देयर इज अधिदैव, अधिभूत एंड अध्यात्म. इन दिस बृहदारण्यक मंत्र 3:7-15 it is said, anything of this creation you take, either adhibhuta, adhidaiva, adhyatma, in all of them Paramatma is present as antaryami, staying within them. Sarvebhyo bhutebhyo antar, he is inside all of them, staying in all. Yam sarvani bhutani na viduhu, the beings or those elements, they don't know Paramatma, they are antaryami. But yasya sarvani bhutani shariram, what is his sharira? He says all shariras are my sharira only. Yam yaha sarvani bhutani antaro yamayati, and then he controls all beings from within. He is called Antaryami Amrita. So this is Ishvara. Antaryami is Ishvara. Esha Sarveshwaraha, Esha Sarvajnaha, Eshontaryami. In Panchadashi 6th chapter also we saw this Antaryami discussion. Eshontaryami, Esha Yoni Sarvasya Prabhavapyo hi Bhutanam, from Mandukya. Iti Shrutehe. So, in that dahi, in that milk, dugdham, inside that Paramatma is there. In that culture which is put, inside that Paramatma is there. In the heat, inside Paramatma is there. In Kala, Paramatma is there. इति श्रुते है सर्वगतस्य अंतर्यामिणः ईश्वरस्य या कालाख्या क्रियाशक्ति तद अधिष्ठितात् क्षीरात् दध्यात्मना परिणामः. सो ही इज अधिष्ठाता ऑफ ऑल दोज थिंग्स. तद अधिष्ठितात् क्षीरात् दध्यात्मना परिणामः. न क्षीर स्वभावात्. सो इट इज नॉट दैट फ्रॉम क्षीर इट इज हैपनिंग. तथा सति सदा परिणाम प्रसंगः. So that being the case, if Ishvara na kshira swabhavat, if it was nature of kshira swabhava, without Ishvara or Kala or other factors, in all of them Ishvara is presiding. If they were not there, then any time kshira would become Dadhi, but it doesn't happen. It needs certain conditions so that presiding Paramatma is there. If it was kshira swabhava, then tatha sati sada parinama prasanga, and therefore it is na kshira swabhava. Etena kalopi ishwarasya eva shaktyakara bheda iti suchitam. And by this, what is suchitam is, Kala is also Ishwarasya Shakti. Kala is also the power of Ishvara alone. Kalopi Ishwarasya eva Shaktyakara Bhedaiti Suchitam. So, whether you call Kala or you call Kriya Shakti, Jnana, all of them are Paramatma alone, his Shakti alone. तथा च श्रूयते parasya shaktir vividhaiva shruyate. The Shakti of Paramatma expresses in many ways. So you never know how Paramatma will express, when, in whom. And we ourselves wonder, sometimes, that how we are able to express wisdom in our own life. This is Paramatma Shakti, that if Bhagavan decides to lift us up, he will express in that way. That is Shvetashvatar Uddharanam. Iti idanim jnanarupam shaktim vivichya tasyaha jagadhetutvam aha. Now, Jnanarupa Shakti is expressed as distinct, and its Jagad Hetutvam is being talked about. Jnanam nama Jagat Kartu Rikshana Vyavahara Pravritti Kshama Ya Vrittihi Sabhasa Uchyate. What is Jnanam? So first we have to understand Jnanam is Kutastha Jnanam and Vritti Jnanam. Kutastha Jnanam is Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. This is called Kutastha Jnanam. And Vritti, when it is with Abhasa, Chaitanyam, then that Vritti is also called Jnanam. So earlier itself I explained in the first shloka that it is Jnanam as Upachara Matra, Gauna, according to Vivaranacharya, which we all have accepted. So Kutastha Jnanam is Nitya Jnanam. Vritti Jnanam is Nitya or Anitya? Anitya Jnanam. For moksha, you need Vritti Jnanam, Nitya Jnanam or Anitya Jnanam? You need Nitya Jnanam or Anitya Jnanam for moksha? You need Anitya Jnanam for moksha. Yes, you need Anitya. You need Anitya Jnanam in the form of Vritti. Yes, you did say. But the second time if I ask, then you change it. So Nitya Jnanam is not useful for moksha. Nitya Jnanam is my Swarupa. To know that I am Nitya Jnana Swarupa, I need Anitya Jnanam, which is the Vritti. So that is Jnanam. Here in the form of jnanam nama jagat kartuhu ikshana vyavahara pravritti kshama ya vritti. So here vritti will be in the form of maya vritti, because for jiva is it antakarana vritti. Jiva's upadhi is antakarana, so jiva will have antakarana vritti. Ishwara's upadhi is maya, so here sabhas maya is called vritti, or you call sabhasa maya vritti. Like how sabhasa antakaranam will have one vritti, in that way sabhasa maya vritti, that is jnanam, and that is jagat kartuhu ikshana vyavahara pravritti kshama. Kshama means capable. It is capable of doing the vyavahara pravritti of ikshanam, that Ishvara will do ikshanam through this maya vritti. Means in maya there will be kshobha. Trigunatmika maya will have kshobhanam. The triguna, their samya avastha will get disturbed. One. And secondly, Surya Chandrama Saudhata Yatha Purvam Akalpayat. How the creation was in the Purva Kalpa, all of that will be recollected. That is also through this Maya Vritti. That's why it is said, Tasya Jnanamayam Tapaha. The Tapaha of Paramatma is in the form of Jnanam, and that Jnanam is to bring the Purva Kalpa, Purva Srishti is the entire way of functioning. That how everything was in the Purva Kalpa, all of that will be brought back. Yas sarvagnya sarvavit yasya jnanamayam tapaha tasmad etat brahma nama rupamannam cha jayate. So that jnanamaya tapa will be there. That is this ikshana. Sacha, this is called jnanam. Sacha swashrayasya maya shabalitasya jnatritvam sampadayati. Saka सा वृत्ति, सा वृत्ति, साभासा वृत्ति. That vritti with the abhasa chaitanya appearing there. Swa ashrayasya maya shabalitasya. Maya is the upadhi. Shabal means upadhi. Maya is the upadhi. See, in the olden Sanskrit they used to write ala also. Maya shabalitasya. But in new Sanskrit, like now, they don't write ala. But in most Indian languages, like in Marathi, Gujarati, and southern some language like Telugu probably, they all have ala. Odisha people also, they also use that. But in Hindi, it is not there. Maya shabalitasya jnatritvam sampadayati. So that vritti with abhasa will accomplish this jnatritvam in Chaitanya, which is maya upahita, with maya upadhi. Swa ashrayasya maya shabalitasya chaitanyasya jnatritvam sampadayati. Swarupato jnanatmana vartate. And in its swarupa, it will be jnana swarupam. So then jnanam, jnatritva, and jneyam. What is jneyam? Jneyam cha srijyam jagat avabhasayanti tadakarakaritaya jneya rupa cha bhavati. What is jneyam? Jneyam is srijyam, what is going to be created. Because in jnanam, it has to recollect the purva srishti. So all of that is what is going to be srijyam is jneyam, which jiva has to be woken up first, then gradually all jivas will wake up, all of that from avyakta. Imagine how everything will be. And all the rishis who will, when we say mantra drashta of the Veda, so remember, mantra drashta means not that they in their meditation had revelation of mantra which was not there earlier. Veda mantras were already there. Vedas are nitya. Then the rishis, they become the nimitta to whom the Veda mantras will be revealed. So it is not that they saw something which was not there before. Because if that idea somebody follows, then what will be the tendency? I also want to be like Rishi. So I don't want to use the mantras which are already there. I want to reveal a new mantra which was not there before. Then you go, you don't study Shastra. That person will not reach anywhere. He is not going to become Rishi. Jneyam cha srijyam jagat avabhasayanti. Avabhasayanti is Visheshanam of Sabhasa vritti. That is also for the vritti. Srijyam jagat, what is to be created, that jagat, which is the Jneyam, tadakara karitaya avabhasayanti Jneya rupa cha bhavati. That vritti will become Jneya rupa. So then all those things will become revealed. Then they will start expressing. Tatha cha evam vidaya jnana shaktya jagat bhavet. In this way jagat srishti will happen. So jnata, jnana and jneya, all these will appear in Paramatma Shuddha Chaitanya with Maya Upadhi. In that Maya Upadhi, jnata, jnana, jneya, all these, in the Upadhi this Bheda will appear. Just as for a Jiva, Antakarana Upahita Chaitanya will become Pramata, or Antakarana Vishishta Chaitanya will become Pramata. Then with Antakarana Vritti Vishishta he will become Pramana. And Prameya is where once the Antakarana Vritti reaches the Vishaya. So that Vishaya here is also from the Purva Kalpa alone. Now it is said this Uktam Jnana Shaktim Samanya Visheshatmana Vibhajate. Jnanam is also twofold, Samanya and Vishesha. So Jnana Shakti, Uktam Jnana Shaktim Samanya Visheshatmana Vibhajate. He splits them into two. Jnanam dvidha vastu matra Dyotakam nirvikalpakam Savikalpantu sangyadi Dyotakatvadanekada Jnanam dvidha vastu matra Dyotakam nirvikalpakam Savikalpantu sangyadi Dyotakatvadanekada. Jnanam dvidha. Jnanam is of twofold. Jnanam is of two natures. Vastu matra dyotakam nirvikalpakam. So vastu matra dyotakam jnanam is one and another is nirvikalpakam. Nirvikalpakam jnanam is Shuddha Chaitanya, what we call, which is without jnata, jnana, jneya, bheda. And vastumatra dyotakam jnanam will be where the thing is revealed. So vastu matra dyotakam is where the all things you see in the टीका. Vastumatra Dyotakam Bahusyam iti. Yesterday also we saw this. Bahusyam iti samanya akarena सृज्य समस्त वस्तु उल्लेखी इत्यर्थः. Whatever is the thing that is going to be created, सृज्य समस्त वस्तु, all of that is revealed. In Tika, the Samanya Akarane Srijya Samasta Vastu Ullekhi. Ullekhi means that which does the Ullekha of all these Vastu. Punaha Akashadi Bhautika Prakarena Anekadha Srijya Artha Vishesha Dyotakatvat Tadeva Savikalpakatvam Samyati iti Yojana. So that Vastu Matra Dyotakam actually is Nirvikalpakam. In this way it is presented here. So that which illumines all objects as Sakshi. Nirvikalpakam in this way. So there where Ekoham Bahusyam. So Shuddha Chaitanya alone is there, Nirvikalpa, and he says, I will become many. And then that same becomes Savikalpa later when the Vikalpas which were unmanifest, they become manifest. So Jnana Shakti as Nirvikalpa is the first stage, which is Vastu Matra Dyotakam. Second is Savikalpakam tu Sanyadi Dyotakatvat Anekada, where everything is available in the form of Nama Rupa. Sanya means all the names and forms are available. Punaha Akashadi Bhuta Bhautika Prakarena Anekadha Srijyartha Vishesha Dyotakatvat Tadeva Savikalpakatvam Samyati iti Yojana. That alone becomes Savikalpa. How? When Akashadi Bhuta Bhautika Prapancha comes. Bhuta means the Pancha Mahabhuta. Bhautika means the products karya of Bhuta is called Bhautika. Bhuta Bhautika Prakarena Anekadha Srijyartha Vishesha Dyotakatvad. So now Vishesha are there, and with Sanya that this is object A, object B, it in this way. Vishesha Dyotakatvat Tadeva Savikalpakatvam Samyati iti Yojana. That itself goes in the form of Savikalpa Shakti. Jnanasya Swarupato Bheda Bhavepi Jneyakara Avabhasa Nibandhano Bhedo Bhavati iti Abhipretya Dyotakatvadanekadha ityuktam. Jnanasya Swarupata Bheda Abhava. Jnana in its Swarupa does not have Bheda. Bheda Abhave api Jneyakara Avabhasa Nibandhano Bhedo Bhavati. The Jneyakara, based on that, Jneyakara Avabhasa Nibandhana. Nibandhana means Karanam. Jneyakara Avabhasa Nibandhana Bheda. Because of that, the Jneya Vastu difference, the Jnana also appears to be different. So when Jneya is Nirvikal in Avyakta Rupa, Jnanam is called Nirvikalpam. When Jneya becomes Vyakta, Jnana becomes Savikalpa. Bhedo Bhavati iti Abhipretya Dyotakatvad Anekadha iti Yuktam. So because the Dyotaka, the illuminating or what is illumined, that illumined when it varies, then Jnanam also will vary. Nirvikalpakam becomes Savikalpakam. Iti Uktam. Tal Loka Anubhavena Prapanchayati. Now, how it is there in our experience, that is being said. संकल्प संशय भ्रांति स्मृति सादृश्य निश्चयाः ऊहोनध्यवसायश्च तथान्येनुभवा अपि। संकल्प संशय भ्रांति स्मृति सादृश्य निश्चयाः ऊहोनध्यवसायश्च तथान्येनुभवा अपि। After Bhranti, you have the same print as I have, correct? You all have the same. So after Bhranti, there is no Visarga and Bhranti is not connected to Smriti also. It should be connected actually, because you cannot leave that Shabda without any Pratyaya, the Subanta Pratyaya. So Sankalpa Samshaya Bhranti Smriti Sadrishya Nishchayaha will be one Samastapada. In Tika, they are not given, they are all given individually only. So Sankalpa, what is Sankalpa? See in Tika itself directly. Idam idanim karishye iti evam akara manovrittihi sankalpa. Now I shall do this. I shall teach Manasollasa now. Means I will study. This is sankalpa. You have made a resolve. So idam idanim karishye iti evam akara manovritti. Then anirdharita aneka kotikam jnanam samshaya. Samshaya means where there is aneka koti, or एक in तर्क संग्रह the definition is एकस्मिन् धर्मिणि विरुद्ध धर्म विरुद्ध नाना धर्मवत्वम संशय. in एक धर्मी विरुद्ध नाना धर्मवत्वम. See, if you see ghata at one place, then you see pata, are they nana dharma or not? They are nana dharma. They are different. But that is not called samshaya. Both of them have to be in one. Ekasmin dharmini. The same thing you think it is Rajju also and it is Sarpa also. Then it is samshaya. At one place you see Rajju, then you go another place. After 10 minutes, there you see Sarpa. That is not Brahma. That is not Samshaya. So, Anirdharita Aneka Kotikam, or at least Dvikotikam. In Samshaya, minimum is 2 kotis. Means 2 Vikalpas have to be there. That Jnanam is called Samshaya. Sadrishyam. What is Sadrishyam? Idam Anena Sadrisham. I have explained this word recently only, where there is bhuyo samana dharmatvam, lot of similarities are there, then you say this is sadrisha. These are, remember, different kinds of jnana vrittis. Sankalpa, samshaya, bhranti, smriti. Smriti will be so sadrishyam idam anena sadrisham iti evam akara vritti. Then Smriti he doesn't explain. Tikakar. What is Smriti? Smriti is recollection. In general, Smriti can be Yathartha Smriti and Ayathartha Smriti. And what is the definition in Tarka Sangraha of Smriti? The definition is given. Smriti is Jnanam. Correct? And संस्कार मात्र जन्य ज्ञानम, संस्कार मात्र जन्य ज्ञानम स्मृति है. Smriti, Sadrishya he has explained. Bhranti is where you take one for the other and you don't know, you don't have samshaya, means there is no doubt. That is Bhranti. Sankalpa, Samshaya, Bhranti, Smriti, Sadrishya. Nishchaya. What is Nishchaya? Determination, Adhyavasaya. Uha. Uha is Sintika. Uho. Drishta sadharmyena vaidharmyena va अन्यस्य उत्प्रेक्षा. दृष्ट साधर्म्येण वैधर्म्येण वा अन्यस्य उत्प्रेक्षा. So uhapoha means where what is drisht seen, then in sadharmya vaidharmya vichara is done, that what is similar in these things, what is dissimilar, what is in English called compare and contrast. You compare them for similarity and you see the contrast also. This is called sadharmya vaidharmya. This kind of vichara is uhapoha. Drishta sadharmyena vaidharmyena va anyasya utpreksha, anyasya kalpana. That other thing would be like this. For example, I'll give you some idea. You know what is this uhapoha? Let us say we know our religion, okay, Hinduism. Now you see somebody who is from different religion and he becomes your friend or something. So you ask sometimes. So any question that we will ask them about their religion will be based on the samskaras that we have from our religion. So this is because we already have some baseline idea of thinking. So we will ask, so how many forms does your God take? Because we know that God can take many forms. In this way we'll ask. Do you accept in your philosophy, is there Advaita, Vishishta Advaita? Now they will say we don't have any of these things. But we will try to see the other thing based on the sadharmya or vaidharmya of whatever knowledge we already have. This is uhapoha. Then anadhyavasaya. Anadhyavasayo drishyamane api vastuni anishchaya matra rupa vritti. In the drishyaman vastu, there is no nishchaya. Anishchaya matra rupa vritti. So if somebody says, you want to do, no, I don't want to do that. I don't know. I am not sure. What about it? No, I am not sure. Nothing is sure. Yatha Kinnamayam vriksha iti evamaka. What is the name of this tree? Or what is the name of this flower? These flower names, botanical names and all, we will never know. So this is anadhyavasaya only. Anya prasiddhartha. Tatha anya anubhava api. And other anubhavas also are there. So like in the Brihadaranyaka mantra says, Kama, Sankalpa, Vichikitsa, Shraddha, Ashraddha, Dhriti, Adhriti, Hrihi, Dhihi, Bhihi. All this is, they are different names of Jnana Vrittis only. Yathayam Vishesho Lokadrishtas Tatha Anubhava api Anye Yathartha Vishayaha Pramarupaha. And they all are Pramarupa Anye Vishayaha Yathartha Vishayaha Pratyakshadi Bhedena Aneka Vidha Bhavanti Ityartha. Based on the Pratyaksha Bheda, you can have them Aneka Rupa, Aneka Vidha. So, like Prama will be Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Shabda, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi, then Aitihya, Sambhava. Other Pramanas also you can have. So, in this way, Pratyakshadi Bhedena Aneka Vidha Anubhavaha Bhavanti Ityarthaha. Now, in the next 3 shlokas, he gives which darshana uses how many pramanas. So now Sureshwaracharya ji is entering into all darshanas. He is going to explain full Tarka Sangraha here in shlokas. You see. Tadevam Vadi Vipratipatti Upanyasena Vivranoti. So now how different people have accepted different pramas. Pratyakshadi bhedena Vadi Vipratipatti, among them how there are different opinions, by that Upanyasa Vivranoti. Pratyakshamekam charvakaha Kanada sugatau punaha Anumanancha tacchapi Sankhya Shabdancha te api Sankhya Shabdancha te api Pratyakshamekam charvakaha Kanada sugatau punaha Anumanancha tacchapi Sankhya Shabdancha te api Nyayaikadeshinopyeva Nyayaikadeshino Mupamanancha kechana Arthapatya sahaitani Chatvaryaha prabhakaraha Nyayaikadeshinopyeva Mupamanancha kechana Arthapatya sahaitani Chatvaryaha prabhakaraha Abhavashasthanyetani Bhatta Vedantinasthatha Sambhavaitihya yuktani Tani pauranika jaguhu Abhavashasthanyetani Bhatta Vedantinasthatha Sambhavaitihya yuktani Tani pauranika jaguhu. Pratyaksham ekam charvakaha. Charvaka, they accept only one pramana, pratyaksham. Kanada sugatau punaha anumanancha. Kanada and Sugata. Sugata means Bauddha. Sugata is Buddha. So Kanada means which darshan? Vaisheshika. Vaisheshika and Bauddha, they say Anumanancha. Anumanancha means Pratyaksham and Anumanam. Two pramana. Tacchapi Sankhya Shabdancha. And Sankhya Shabdancha te api. Sankhya's take Shabda also and te api. Te means Pratyaksha Anumane. It will become Dvivachanam. Pratyaksha Anumane api. Te api. But te api Sandhi didn't happen. Right? Why? Pragrihya. Idude Dvivachanam Pragrhyam. So because of that, when there is Dvivachanam, so there no Sandhi will take place. So Sankhya will have three: Pratyaksham, Anumanam, Shabdancha. Nyayika deshino api evam upamanancha kechana. Nyaya, some people will take upamana also, ekadeshinaha, and some nyaya they don't take. So let us say nyaya takes upamanam also. So you have pratyaksha, anumana, shabda and upamana for nyaya darshan. Then prabhakaraha arthapatya saha etani chatvari. How many pramanas Prabhakar accepts? 5. हाँ, अर्थापत्या सह एतानि चत्वारि. So अर्थापत्ति plus these 4 एतानि चत्वारि. So प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान शब्द उपमान अर्थापत्ति प्रभाकर एतानि चत्वारि अर्थापत्या सह एतानि चत्वारि. भाट्टाः एंड वेदांतिनः कुमारिल भट्ट मत भट्ट एंड वेदांतिन अभाव षष्ठानि एतानि. अभाव मीन्स अनुपलब्धि. देयर इज अ सिक्स्थ वन फॉर सो 5 + 1 6. देन पौराणिकाः संभव ऐतिह्य युक्तानि तानि प्रमाणानि जगुः. दे से संभव प्रमाण also ऐतिह्य which we'll see tomorrow. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.